What are the constitutional limits on congressional power? Imagine a government where every branch has its own set of rules to prevent overreach. This is the foundation of American constitutional law, designed to balance power among the legislative, executive, and judicial branches. When it comes to Congress, the United States Constitution grants specific powers but also imposes clear restrictions to protect individual rights and maintain the system of checks and balances. The primary source of these limits is the Constitution itself, especially the Bill of Rights, which comprises the first 10 amendments. These amendments explicitly restrict Congress from infringing on fundamental freedoms such as freedom of speech, religion, and assembly. For example, Congress cannot pass laws that abridge these rights or establish an official religion. The First Amendment also prohibits Congress from enacting laws that restrict free speech or the press, ensuring that citizens can express their opinions freely. Beyond the Bill of Rights, other constitutional provisions limit Congress's authority. The 10th Amendment states that powers not delegated to the federal government are reserved for the states or the people. This means Congress cannot assume authority beyond what is explicitly granted by the Constitution. The Commerce Clause, found in Article 1, Section 8, grants Congress the power to regulate interstate commerce but has been interpreted to limit federal regulation to activities that substantially affect interstate trade. This prevents Congress from overreaching into areas traditionally managed by state governments. The principle of separation of powers also acts as a constraint. The legislative branch cannot pass laws that violate the Constitution or encroach upon the powers of the executive or judicial branches. Judicial review, established by the Supreme Court, allows courts to invalidate laws that conflict with the Constitution. This serves as a vital check on Congress's ability to pass unconstitutional legislation. Furthermore, specific amendments like the 14th Amendment impose restrictions on Congress. It prohibits laws that deny equal protection under the law or deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process. These provisions ensure that Congress cannot pass laws that discriminate or violate individual rights. In summary, the constitutional limits on congressional power are embedded in the Bill of Rights, the 10th Amendment, the Commerce Clause, and the broader system of checks and balances. These restrictions safeguard individual freedoms, uphold state sovereignty, and prevent the legislative branch from exceeding its constitutional authority.